Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wambui. If you just bumped into my YouTube channel, I do content related to makeup, beauty, travel, and lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and do so. Also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put on your falsies or your fake lashes, because I've been requested to do this video by quite a number of views, so I thought why not. So here we go. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible, and I hope you're gonna learn how to put on your fake lashes and practice on how to put them on during this social distancing period. So let's get into this video. So to start off, I'm gonna share with you what you require for you to get started on fixing on your or wearing your fake lashes. The first product you're gonna need, of course, you're gonna need your lashes, and in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be using these lashes. Let me get them out of this packaging. So this is how they look. The next thing you're gonna need lash glue. So there's this is the dual lash glue, the clear one. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna be using this bonding glue, the Excel bonding glue. I love this bonding glue so much because I feel like it does the work perfectly than my dual glue. Then next, you're gonna need a lash applicator. This is the lash applicator that I'm gonna be using. This is how it looks. So you can use a lash applicator, or you can use a pair of tweezers. For me, I prefer using the lash applicator, so that is what I'm gonna be using today. The next thing you need is a mascara. You're gonna need some mascara because you're gonna use this to comb out your natural You are gonna need a mascara to comb out your natural lashes first before you go in with your fake lashes. So you are definitely gonna need a nice mascara. So whichever mascara that you have, it's gonna work for you. You don't have to get this one that I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. So you don't need to use this, but just whichever mascara you have in your kit, go ahead and use that. And then finally, you are gonna need patience, guys. Fixing on lashes, fake lashes, takes quite some time, and you need all the patience in the world to just get them stuck on your eyes. I mean, the days you're gonna get it right, the days where you're gonna struggle to fix even one eye is gonna like take longer than the other one, but you definitely need so much patience to fix your lashes. So with that said, let me go ahead and just show you how I fix my lashes. I'm gonna do one on one side of my eye, and then the other one I'm gonna do off camera, and then after that I'm gonna show you the final look, how they look, and then now with my complete full face makeup. So before you start fixing on your lashes, you need to check that you are holding it correctly, and most lashes have a lower side and a higher side. As you can see, this is how they look. And also there's the edges of the lashes, you trim them off. I forgot to mention that you also need a razor blade, so that or scissors, a small scissors, so that you're able to trim out these edges of the lashes, because you don't want this to fix your lashes when this is there, because this is gonna poke your eyes, and you don't want that. It's gonna irritate your eyes, and you do not want that. So I'm gonna cut this off and then show you how they look after I've cut it off. So after cutting it off, this is how it looks. You see this edge that was here, it's gone. I've cut it off using a blade, and the next thing now I'm gonna do is, because you see this lower side, this means that this belongs to my left eye. So I'm gonna place it on my lower lashes and see on my lashes to see whether they fit properly, and then after that we're gonna go to the next step. And one more thing, guys, I forgot to mention, which is very important, the things you need a handheld mirror. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl powder mirror, because it has a very nice handheld mirror. It enables you to hold your mirror like this. I hope it's been you can see, because I can't see what I'm doing on this side of the camera, but this is how you're gonna hold your mirror. Like, you have to look down the mirror so that you are able to see your natural lashes and now the fake lashes, where you're gonna place them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just measure, or just place it there to see whether it fits my eye, like so. Yeah, so I have established that this is the right size of lash for my eye, for this left eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue on it. So like I said, I'm gonna be using my Excel bonding glue. So I like to use my lash applicator. There's the end part of my lash applicator, to just use that to apply the glue on the lash, like this. Like that. This is how it looks with some glue on it. I'm gonna give it 30 seconds to dry off, and then once it's tacky, I can go ahead and place it on my natural lashes. So while the lashes are drying out, while the glue is getting tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and use my mascara to just comb out my natural lashes to make them stand out, or straighten them out, so that applying the fake lashes is gonna be easy. So once I've done that, we're gonna go ahead right now and put on the lashes. So changed my mind, figured it's easier to demonstrate using my right eye instead of my left eye, because positioning of the hand is gonna block the camera. So whenever you're putting on the fake lashes, always make sure that you fix the middle part, you stick together the middle part of the lash with the natural lashes, and then go ahead and now fix the front part and the back and the back part. So when you're fixing it, place it in the middle, like so. And then once it's stuck, you come here and fix the edge. And I love using my finger, don't mind me guys, I just love using my nails. Once you do that, and then now fix the front part. So while you're fixing them, when you're fixing the front part, always make sure that this front part is not too near the corner of your eye, because that's gonna irritate your eyes and you're gonna be crying the whole day. So make sure that it's a bit further away from your corner of the eye, and it begins where your natural lashes start. Yes. So once I've done that, I normally take now my lash applicator and just press the bottom, the natural lashes and the fake lashes together. To make sure that they are stuck, and also to make sure that you can't see where the my fake lashes and the natural lashes begin, because you can look up and someone can see that the lower lash, your natural upper lashes have, like it distinctively shows where the first lashes is beginning, or where it's placed at, and you don't want that. So you have to make sure you take your tweezers or your lash applicator and just press them together. So that is fixed. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my liquid liner and just go ahead and just add on some on that upper part to make sure that one does not see that lash band area. just like that. Then you can add on some mascara, but make sure it does not touch the natural, I mean the fake lash that you put, because if you put mascara on the fake lash, you're gonna destroy them, and you want to reuse them as many times as possible. So just go ahead and just like try to lift them up. Oops. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on fix my other eye, and then after that I'm gonna come back and flaunt how I look amazing with lashes on my eyes, and how they complete the full makeup. Stay tuned. So I'm back again. I just installed my left lash, as you can see, and this is how they look. This is how you get your makeup popping with just adding a pair of lashes and a pop of color, red lippy, and you're good to go. Go practice how to fix your fake lashes. Just practice, and also have patience with yourself, patience with your skill and technique as well while doing it, because the moment you're gonna get it right, the moment you get to know how to fix your lashes, since you are never going to look at yourself the same way again, because you'll never walk out of the house without a pair of fake lashes. I hope I was able to like make it as simpler as possible, because that was my intention when I was beginning the video, and I hope you learned a thing or two how to fix your lashes. In case you have any questions on how to fix them, go ahead and ask them on the comment section, or you can ask them on my WhatsApp if you have my number, or on my social media pages, which I'm gonna list down in the description box. And without saying, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified every time we put up a new video. Give this video a thumbs up as well, so that I can know that you loved it. And until my next one, I love you all so much. Bye.